Customers that are no longer required, but have transactions recorded against them, can be made inactive. These records remain in Infusion, so that they can be seen in historic transactions and reports. Customers can only be marked as inactive if they have no open transactions and no outstanding or unpaid balance on their account. Locate the customer in the Customer module and click the Spill button at the end of the row. Choose Deactivate to make the customer inactive. An inactive badge will show beside the customer ID number to show they are inactive. You can also make a customer inactive from the customer record. Go to More Options and choose Deactivate. The inactive badge will show beside the customer's name. If the customer isn't able to be deactivated, a message explaining why appears. You'll need to address the issues in the message before you can deactivate the customer. When a customer is inactive, they aren't removed from Infusion. Instead, they stay available for reporting on historical transactions. You can also view all inactive customers from the Customers module. Clear the active status and use the filter to view customers who have been made inactive. You can make inactive customers active again by using the Spill button and choosing Activate, or from within the customer under the More Options menu.